Do you want to understand about 5 pillars of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code of 2016? Watch the video till end. Before even proceeding to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, tap the bell icon to receive our latest notifications. In Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code of 2016, there are totally 5 pillars. Let me just talk about it and then we will get into it in detail. First one, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. Second one, you have the Insolvency Professionals Agency. Third one, Insolvency Professional. Fourth one, Information Utility. And the fifth one is Adjudicating Authority. What is the role of this Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India? The whole objective of setting up of this Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India is to ensure that the implementation of the law is done in a proper way. They are going to monitor all the other pillars of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board, that is monitoring the activities of Insolvency Professional Agency, it might be Insolvency Professionals, Information Utility as well as the Adjudicating Authority. And this is the primary role which is going to be played by the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. Coming to Insolvency Professional Agency. Insolvency Professional Agency is the agency which is being set up for the purpose of enrollment of insolvency professionals. We have Institute of Company Secretaries of India, Insolvency Professionals Institute. As well as you have Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, as well as Institute of Cost Accountants also is doing, there are separate insolvency professional agencies. Their role is to enroll the members who will be willing to become the insolvency professionals. Coming to the third important part, that is who can become an insolvency professional. An insolvency professional is a person who is enrolled with the Insolvency Professional Agency and then he has passed the limited insolvency examination conducted by the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. He is a person who is competent to act as insolvency professional under Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. The fourth important pillar under Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code is, he is called as Information Utility. Please note, Information Utility is a repository of financial information. Please note, there is one important concept called financial creditor. Financial creditor means generally banks. So, if a person has taken loan and then he has not repaid, then the default will be proved by the banks. The default has to be proved by the banks. How the default will be proved? The National Company Law Tribunal or the Debt Recovery Tribunal, as the case may be, will ask the information from the Information Utility. They have to confirm, yes, of course, there is a default, then only the petition will be taken into consideration. So, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India as well as the whole gamut of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code of 2016, with respect to the default which is being given to the financial creditors, they will rely on the information which is being to be provided by the Information Utility. Coming to the last important pillar, that is Adjudicating Authority. Please note, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code of 2016, you have two types of insolvencies which is being looked into. One is individual insolvencies and corporate insolvencies. The Adjudicating Authority for individual insolvencies is called Debt Recovery Tribunal and the Adjudicating Authority for corporate insolvencies are National Company Law Tribunal. These things you have to keep in mind. So, insolvency professional can appear both before Debt Recovery Tribunal as well as National Company Law Tribunal. If you have any questions, please comment. If you want to learn more about this subject, corporate restructuring and insolvency, please fill the Google form which is being given in the description box below. You can even join our Telegram channel and you can visit our Ekcel Academy website for the latest notifications. If you liked this video, do not forget to tap the like button and share it to your friends. Do let us know if you need anything else. We will be very happy to get back to you.